Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it's almost the end of January. The time just gone by so fast. I mean, it's amazing that one thing I learned is that the older you get, time go by faster. So if you like me, feel like time go by faster as we get older, leave the comment below because I think I'm not the only one, won't you agree? Anyway, so today's video we're gonna do something that you've been requesting for a while, and that's my favorite skincare in 2017, and let's get started. So before I was filming this video, I was gathering different products I want to show you guys, and I found that, oh my god, there's like more than 30 different products, and that will be 15 minutes video. That's not gonna happen. So I really had to narrow it down to show you what I like the most, and to determine what I like the most by did I repurchase this product again. So everything I show you here right now is I've been purchased more than once. Obviously some product I purchased more than 3 times, but at least something that I purchased more than once, and I will consider that's my favorite. Okay, that's how I do it. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is by Sunday Riley. It's the Blue Moon Tranquility Cleansing Balm. And so let's face this first. I don't use this every single day, but anytime I feel stressed or I come back from long traveling, I definitely use the cleansing balm. And the reason why is that when you're using cleansing balm, it doesn't matter what brand you use, usually has coconut base in there. So it's very calm, very soothing, it relaxes your skin, it massages your skin. And this particular one, obviously you guys know how much I love the color packaging. I love this blue color, let me show you. Just looking at the color, and the smell of a chamomile is just so calm and relaxed. And this one is with a sugar base, and it will not strip your skin's natural oil. Just gently exfoliate, remove your makeup. If you don't wear makeup, just kind of, you know, help your skin stimulate it. A lot of the time I use this as a massage balm. So I just massage a little bit and go to the shower. Absolutely divine. You should give it a try. After you cleanse the face, definitely you want to use a toner. And I cannot believe I found a brand called, let me see, called The Ordinary. And I discovered this on Sephora.com. And when I first checked out this, I was thinking, wait a minute, how much is this? It's less than $10? Are you kidding me? And I was looking at the ingredient, like this particular one, that Glycolic as a 7% toner. So it's really interesting that in the past many years, the company don't really put percentage of ingredient in there because some of it's proprietary, right, or by FDA. So it's interesting they put amount of the ingredient they use. And what is so cool about this, I think it's less than $9 for, how many ounces is this? 8 ounces. That is crazy. And what I like about this toner is because the packaging is so easy to use. Squeeze this and put on a cotton pad and just wipe it, and then it gently lift away any surface dead skin, and it help unclog the pores, and that will help you reduce breakout in the future and keep your skin clean. And the best part of this is there's no paraben in there, so it's a really good product for the price that you pay. I cannot believe this. And in fact, I bought a whole line of this, the whole line from Ordinary. Leave the comment below if you want me to do a review on this budget-friendly skincare. After toner, I definitely use one product that I would never give up. Even if I leave the company in the future, I will still purchase this. It's the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. Oh my goodness. Everybody know that this is the first essence in the market, or I think it's the first essence that actually works. So what is so special about this? If you haven't tried this yet, you need to go try it now. So this is a facial treatment essence by SK2. This bottle, 90% of the amount is a secret ingredient called Patera that was discovered 40 years ago in Japan. You can, I'll put a link below so you can just see the discovery story. So what is so special about this essence? This essence has no smell, no alcohol, no fragrance in there. It gently exfoliate and renew the skin naturally, meaning that it does not strip out anything on top, just work within your skin and make your skin healthier, stronger. And you use this twice a day, all the skincare put on top, it just go right in and do even better result for you. So this is like, I don't even know how many bottles I use this now. Average 5 ounce will last me about 1 month. So this is like 12 bottles in a year. Luckily, I work for the company for 13 years, so I didn't need to buy this. But again, this is truly amazing product, facial treatment essence. Never not gonna use this. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Okay, so like I say that I just gotta show you this guys real quick here, okay? I hate doing this, but I need to show you this. Some people don't believe me how much skincare I have. Let me show you. You see all that there? That's all my skincare from last year. Yeah. So I'm sorry about moving the camera a little bit. I just want to show you guys. So I was gonna show you different serum I use, but I found that I change serum every single day. I use the serum based on my skin condition, how I feel. So I think it's hard for me to show you my favorite serum. But there's one thing I can show you is that I try so many skincare. So I would say now in the past year, 65% is all SK2 skincare because you know it worked. I work for the company and it's great skincare. But then the other 40% I try different products. Sometimes it works, sometimes it actually causes irritation for my skin. So when my skin get irritated, what do? I always go to the MER The Concentrate. This thing, it works. I don't really know all the detailed ingredient in there, but this baby, anytime your skin feel, look at this. Anytime your skin feel like irritated, burning, itching, you put this on the skin and just calm and soothe the skin like in 2 applications. It goes on very light and very smooth and kind of velvety feeling, and you don't just put a little bit on the skin. So this, I mean, let me tell you, this, it's not cheap, but this will last me 1 year because I don't use it every single day. Well, actually, I used 2 bottles last year. But the point is that, you know, anytime I have irritation, I use this. It calms and soothes my skin. So definitely concentrate, it's great. If your skin's like me, going to different drama, get irritated, so this is really great. Okay, let's move on next. In the daytime, after you finish your skincare, before you apply the makeup, you definitely need to wear sunblock. Sunblock is so important. And I do layer a lot of stuff on my skin normally. We're talking about after the essence, I usually put different serum and the moisturizer and the eye cream on top. So there's a lot of stuff on my face. And then, so I don't want to use sunscreen that made my skin even more heavier. So I discovered this last year, I think it was in September. It's Case SOMERVILLE SPF 50, and what is so cool is it's a soft focus makeup setting spray. You use this over the makeup, but I've been using this on my skin directly because I just found so easy to use. Let me show you, okay? So you want to shake it really well, like you're shaking a cocktail, okay? So you just spray. Watch this, okay? I can't get it to work. What happened? Why it's not? Oh, I forgot. It can lie. You can open it. So let me see right there. Oh, there we go. Gosh. That's it. What I like about this particular spray is a lot of times they do spray SPF. When you open the eyes, it actually causes irritation around your eye area. This one just spray on. So easy. It doesn't feel anything on the skin, so that's what I like about this. So definitely give a try for this sunblock from Case SOMERVILLE. No, I can't even speak now. Okay, that's, oh, I just scared Scarlett. She's there watching me. Do you guys want to see her? Okay, hold please. I'm gonna move the camera out again. Okay, you're gonna hate me doing this. Let me see. Where is she? Hold on. Do you guys see her? There she is. She's always at the corner. She's my producer. Okay. So sorry to move the camera like this. Okay. I sprayed too much sunscreen in the room now. Okay, let's move on to the last 2 items I want to show you guys. What do I use for under my eye and around my eye? It's the SK2 Ultimate Revival Eye Cream. We launched, I say we because I work for the company. We launched this in the US last year, springtime, and I've been using this ever since. It is amazing eye cream. What do I like about LXP Eye Cream is because as you're applying to the skin around the eye, you just need a little bit around the bone area. It's just going to absorb into the skin and work all the way all around the skin, reduce all the issues around the eye area. And definitely I have to say that if you have a lot of problem with your eyes, like puffiness, dark circle, sagging, lack of radiance, you need to massage. And the best way to do is you pat eye cream around the eye, use your ring finger to slightly go around it. As you go around it, just do a little pressure point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it does is it helps the blood circulation faster, so allow the cream going deeper to do the job for you. And this eye cream also has ingredients such as a concentrated, so highly concentrated patera, and rice peptide, and what is the other one? Oh, lychee extract. So everything is reduced from from the free radical and antioxidants, so protect your skin from all the outside damage, also the inside damage too. So this is a great eye cream I've been using. So what is so cool about this mask? Are you ready? Okay. So this is the facial treatment essence from SK2 for 5 ounce. Each mask have a 1 ounce of this. So that means 5 pieces of the face mask from SK2 equal 1 bottle of a facial treatment essence. There you have it. So it's intense hydration, it balances the skin, and then because I already removed the surface of dead skin, so when I put this on, I actually do an amazing job. So I do this at least once a week together. This first, rinse it off, and followed by this. And I use this mask like a couple times a week because it's so easy to use. In a couple minutes, your skin just be plump and hydrated. So wow, that's a lot of stuff I'm showing today. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick review of my favorite skincare in 2017. And like I say that starting February, I'm going to be more focused on skincare because in skincare world, usually starting February, it's all about taking care of your skin because the holiday's over, you recover from your holiday, now it's to restart and jumpstart your skin. So I want to focus on skincare. So I definitely need your help. So let me know any particular brand you want me to review. I have a couple brands in my mind already, and or what type of skin concern that you want me to talk about and review and find solution for you guys. So leave the comment below. Okay, so lastly I want to say thank you so much for all your support for my YouTube channel and all my social media. I really appreciate that, and don't forget to follow all of them right over here. And to get the fastest response, that's going to be my Instagram, Mr. Jen All-in-One. If you have not followed my Instagram, what are you waiting for? Get on your phone, follow me, follow me, follow me. So anyway, I want to say thank you so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.